So we're going to make a jack-o'-lantern. We're going to start with a ball. I'm going to click on the top of our project. I'm going to size it out to like 50 by 50, let's say, or 40 by, let's do 40 by 40, or 42 by 42, whatever in that range, okay? Zoom out a little bit. And what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate it and move it up, to about minus 27, let's say, or somewhere in that range. You're going to select both of them, and you're going to duplicate again, rotate a smidge, which is 22.5. And what you do is you press duplicate again, and it actually repeats. So it's called duplicate and repeat. It's kind of cool. All right, so when that's done, you're gonna, kind of loop around, take a look at it, and oops, you're going to Control A, select it all, and bring it up. So you got the shape of a pumpkin. I'm gonna recommend that you group it right now. So group the whole thing since it's already selected. Change the color to orange. Now, the magic of hollowing this out actually involves this whole function. So what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this pumpkin, bring it over here, and we're going to shrink it down. We're going to shrink it down, something like this and something like that. So we're just going to shrink it down just a little bit, and we're going to make it a hole, okay? And the cool part here is called a line. So, or not mirror, a line. It's not selected yet. What we're going to do is we're going to shift select this one here, so they're both selected. Go to the align tool and press the middle circles on each one of these. That way, there's actually going to be a hole in the middle. Control A for all. Let's see, A for all, and now we group that. And believe it or not, there is a hole punched out in the middle there. All right, let's get a triangle and just try this out. Take the triangle and you push it back, make that a hole, and then when you combine the two with, Control A, when you group the two, you're going to get, it's a little slow, but you're going to get a hole in the pumpkin. Kind of cool, see? All right, so that's how you carve the pumpkin. That's how you make the pumpkin to carve. You're going to put a stem on top, maybe using a variety of features. Here's one other option. This here tool. This is kind of fun. You can actually draw your pumpkin face, Let's say we do that. Something like that. That was a horrible job. I think I have to just draw it in. So I'm going to fill it in. Make sure you get it all. If this were to be 3D printed, it would be a mess. So make sure you get this all. Okay? All right. And then click done. Now you have a solid that you can rotate, put into position, maybe shrink it down. Let's make this bigger. Something like that. Shrink it down. Make it a hole, by the way. Let's make it thicker, so let's go this way. There we go. And this way. I'm doing a horrible job, but you obviously can do better. Okay. Just needs to be a hole, and you're going to select all, and then group it. Let's see how it comes out. It takes a couple seconds, so give it a minute. There it is. Ooh, interesting. All right. So, if you want to fix anything, you need to ungroup. So Control A. It's a little tricky. Ungroup, because now you're going to have that. You're going to have to ungroup that, so I can move this. Okay, so you have to ungroup in a sequence. I'm going to make this smaller, and I'm going to duplicate this one and move it over here. And I'm going to actually fix this one. This is horrible. I need to rotate it. That's what I need to do. So I'm going to rotate it like that. There we go. Push it in kind of like that. Maybe make it smaller so it fits better. Something like that. All right. Push this one back some. There we go. All right. Control A, group it, and wait for it. There we go.